So, you've printed something that is very big and takes up a lot of space, and you're wondering, how the fuck are you supposed to get it off there? I mean, really, it just sticks to it! There's a quick solution to that. So, first of all, take off all the clamps so you have access to the glass plat and can take it off the printer. Then you take the entire glass bed and walk to your freezer. Put the glass bed into the freezer. Yeah, yeah, that should work. Open yourself a nice alcohol-free beer because, well, it's not 4 yet and we are not savages, so it has to be alcohol-free. You come back a couple of minutes later. Voila. You set the build plate somewhere on the side where it can, well, reflect upon its life's choices and possibly warm up a bit. Once it's reflected on life enough and warmed up, just put it back on the printer. And that's really it. Just make sure that you actually give the glass bed time to warm up again, because when it gets cold, water tends to condensate on it, get moist, and you don't want to get moisture onto the print bed because it might corrode the printer or metallic parts of it or something like that. But other than that, I use this technique whenever I print something that has a big surface area attached to the glass bed, because those parts are the worst to get off. And so far I haven't found a single downside to using that technique, process, however you want to call it. Well, possibly skip the alcohol-free beer every once in a while. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, possibly a like, and maybe even check out one of my other videos. Until next time.